The president did not run out of superlatives in touting his handpicked bets for the Senate in the 19th Congress before the people of Rizal and Antipolo City earlier today. He hailed their integrity, length of experience, and track record. But then someone in the slate was apparently missing, as we hear more from our Mela Mismoras on this 12th campaign rally of Alianza this afternoon in Antipolo.
Solutions, not confrontations. That's what the country needs for further progress and development. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. highlighted this as he led today's campaign rally of Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas in Antipolo, Rizal. During the program, the chief executive personally rallied for support for the administration's senatorial candidates, including Makati City Mayor Abby Binay, former DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos, Congressman Erwin Tulfo and Camille Villar, Senators Bong Revilla, Francis Tolentino, Pia Cayetano, and Lito Lapid, and former Senators Tito Soto, Manny Pacquiao, and Panfilo Lacson.
Ang tinutunguan po ng alyansa ay ang kapayapaan at ang kaunlaran. Ang kailangan po natin para mag-unlad tayo ay hindi po ang pananakot at paninigaw. At ang kailangan po natin ay ang solusyon. Hindi ang mga maiinit at maanghang na mga salita na wala namang kinalaman sa problema, wala namang kabuluhan sa buhay ng ating mga kababayan.
The president said the Alianza coalition candidates have enough experience and extensive knowledge, which is why they deserve the vote of our countrymen. As a response, the crowd had nothing but loud cheers and applause, a clear proof of their strong support for the administration.
Napakadali pa para sa akin na mangampanya para sa ating mga kandidato dahil kilalang-kilala naman kung kikilatisin po natin, isa-isa yan. Lahat po yan starring, pinagsama-sama po natin. Lahat po ng pinakamagaling at pinakamabuti at pinakamasipag na mga nagsiservisyo publiko.
From PTV, Mela Mismoras, Balitang Pambansa.